In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you add voice ID on Amazon Alexa app. In order to add voice ID on Amazon Alexa app, you just have to follow the steps. If you have others in your home who would like to use Alexa and the Amazon Echo speaker, they can set up their own voices profile too. For that, you just have to go ahead and open the Alexa app on your phone and then go to the more. After which you'll be able to see the settings. Then you want to go to your profile and family. Once you do it, so next thing you just need to go ahead and tap the plus button from the top of the tab. After which you just have to go ahead and tap the plus button from the top, or else you just have to go ahead and tap on add someone else's. Once you do it, so you'll be taken to the next field where you just need to go ahead and tap on the continue on the hand and agree to the terms and conditions if you have to. Now ask the family member to finish setting up the voice ID, after which you just click on the continue button, and after which you just have to go ahead and speak it up. That's how you could go ahead and add voice ID on Amazon Alexa app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.